Today, we bring you the story of how Alpha ICT partnered with e-ink to revolutionize the asset tracking process, offering a sustainable alternative to wasteful paper usage in an environmentally conscious world. Companies face numerous challenges when managing assets efficiently, such as difficulty in tracking assets on assembly lines, finished goods, pallets, containers, and discrete assets. Limited insights into asset movements and stoppages, delayed inventory updates, slow and inefficient reporting. Alpha ICT offers a tailorable asset tracking solution to streamline monitoring and inventory control. Our solutions offer real-time tracking and management of assets, continuous monitoring throughout the assembly line, comprehensive movement analysis, alert tracking, and stoppage monitoring, instant inventory updates for optimized workflow, quick and detailed reporting via desktop and mobile applications including customizable reports and asset data for improved decision-making. Easy implementation of the first in first out method for better inventory control. Our advanced asset tracking solution integrates e-ink display tags with tracking technologies like GPS, RFID, and UWB for precise location tracking. Strategic receivers, placed throughout the facility to scan and detect asset tags in range, creating a real-time map. Advanced location tracking provides accurate asset positioning, reducing search time and minimizing human error. Our software features interactive dashboards that enable machine tracing across the facility, offering real-time status updates for each machine. Users can track the complete movement history of each machine, ensuring transparency. The system generates automated alerts and provides actionable operational insights through comprehensive reports, all from a single, intuitive dashboard interface. Our solutions are ideal for companies that manufacture large-scale assets, manage raw materials, semi-finished goods, and finished goods inventory, require crucial real-time inventory updates without human intervention, utilize station-based assembly and monitoring. At Alpha ICT, we specialize in providing product engineering services across various industries. Our services include outsourced product development, product validation, value engineering, engineering support. Our expertise extends to customizable asset tracking solutions designed to meet your specific operational needs. Highly configurable for various industries, e-ink displays offer flexibility and adaptability to meet different operational needs. With minimal power consumption, they provide a cost-effective and sustainable solution for long-term use. E-ink displays significantly reduce paper waste, lowering environmental impact and promoting greener workflows. Take the first step towards smoother operations with Alpha ICT.